Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And how are you today, guys? For today's video is let's unbox what I bought something in online shop. Charis. And I often to buy online, guys, because I rarely go to the city and the online is also cheap and hassle-free pa. So I bought I bought it online for my vlogging. So I really need this, guys, because it's hard to make a video without a tools. So is it not wrong to spend as long as there is something to be used? Okay, let's unbox this one. This is a wireless lavalier microphone. So this is it, guys. Kuan lang ni siya. Cheap nga kuan nga microphone. So afford ra jud kaayo kay 200 211 pesos ang ako ra nga bayaran di ano. And then yesterday ra ni siya ning abot, guys. So I tried it yesterday, but it's not just take a video. But right now I just take a video because I want it at the same time as my other order to take a video. So ako lang ni siyang gi-open yesterday kay gusto pud nako i-try nga kung okay lang ba siya mugana. So okay man pod mugana. So karon akong i-video. So let's unbox. So we have a oh, this is the microphone. And then this one is the kanang isaksak bitaw saksakan sa charger. Type C ni siya, guys. So mao ni ang isaksak sa saksakanan sa charger para mo connect diri sa kanang mic. Tas naapod na siya ilain nga i-on sa cellphone. Ang i-search ra ang OTG sa settings, then mag-download ka og open camera nga apps. Tas naara to ipang on didto. So dili na ko mag-tutorial kay wala ko laing cellphone nga gamiton. So ako lang ipakita sa inyo ang sulod. Then naapod siya kanang kuan wire para sa charger. Wala siya adapter. Ang adapter lang sa imong charger mao ay imong kanang saksak ani tas ug malubat ang mic diri mao ni yang saksakan. Dire. Ini. Diha. Tas kani ikuan sa imong charger nga type tab sa kunsa mo sang suod. Then ato ning so we have to try what is the result of the video with a microphone. So let's try it. Then so I tried it, guys. So hello. Oh, what did you see, guys? It's okay for using a microphone or not? Comment down below. Charis. Then the second one is the wait lang ako lang sini na. No. And then the second one is this. This is the tripod to stand the what I mean to take para pag video nako ba na ay katungtungan sa cellphone. And then let's open. We have a blade. So, ay sa katong kailangan na to mag-take care baka mayroong it's not it's not wrong to spend, guys, as long as there is something to use because meron naman what is this? This is a remote remote. Mm. And you know, guys, I hope soon the things I work hard for vlogging will also come because this is my dream so that I can help my family at least a little bit, and we won't have to worry about expenses every day, and we can buy our daily needs, and we won't have to worry about expenses every day, and we can buy our daily needs. So I really I really have to work even even in this way. So but I pero then I cannot work for others because I have a children to carry. Then with work hard and perseverance, guys, I can also achieve my dreams. So sana, I hope someday I cannot any drama anymore, guys, because I might cry. So let's continue unboxing. So here we are. Here we are. Ay, di ara day ang plastic sa kuan, guys. Na day sip. They have a ziplock. So this one, ang remote. Ay, oh no, it's broken. Mao ay nga nagbong siya. Okay? It's broke. Nabuslot ang cellophane. So it's okay. I don't know if mugana ba. Ato lang i-try. Okay lang naman bisa gulay. And I am very grateful to Ate Rosemary and Kuya Randy, guys, because they helped me to create a YouTube channel even though we're not relatives. Only my husband is their relative, guys. So, guys, they are super kind. They help many people, especially the children here in our barangay. And I would not be here in YouTube without them. So I really work hard for the next one. I will help other guys. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and comment down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para always kang updated sa mga video ko. Thank you. To hit the notification bell para updated ka palagi sa mga video ko. Please subscribe and do comment below. Thank you.